Happy 4th of July, everybody, and welcome to Clearwater Beach. Tonight we are getting ready to jump on the Tropics boat tour for one epic fireworks show right here at Coachman Park. Behind us right now is actually the pirate ship coming into port. That's so cool, always seeing Captain Nemo's. I actually used to do their payroll back in the day. It was really cool. But now we are here doing Paradise In Pinellas. They are coming back in the port. That is perfect timing. But anyway, tonight we are lighting up the sky here at Coachman Park, getting ready to jump on a boat and see these fireworks take off into America's 250th. Can't believe America is 250 years old, but here we are. Such a great time. I want to give a big shout out to the Clearwater Beach collection for having us park in their garage today. It was really crazy trying to find any parking on the beach. But because of you guys watching, because of our connections here on the beach, we were able to find parking. So thank you guys so much for letting us park in your garage. Now, let's do this, guys. Let's jump on this boat. Let's enjoy a great 4th of July, America's 250th. Happy Independence Day, guys. Now, let's go have some fun. All right, everyone. The Tropics boat tour is pulling back to the marina. There she comes. There she is. So we are currently in line right now, getting ready to go on the Tropics boat tours for a sunset, followed by an epic fireworks show right here on the 4th of July in Clearwater, Florida. So you guys might remember the last time we were actually on this boat was when we did the opening of this pier, this little marina pier here. We toured the boat, got a little information. Really loved the staff, loved the crew. And I was looking at the different boats, like you got the Calypso Queen next to it, you got the pirate ship, Captain Nemo's, you got the shark boat over there, and you got the Starlight cruise. So you have the 2 dinner cruises, and then you have the Tropics. So the Tropics is the only one that really focuses heavily on the fireworks. The other ones are more of a dinner cruise excursion. So that's why we ended up doing the Tropics, to give you guys more of a better view of the fireworks. And that is why we are here in line, getting ready to go. I'm excited to get back on board this vessel and really explore what this tour has to offer and show you guys along the way.
And celebrating freedom, seeing some boomsticks. Come on, we can do better than that. How's everybody doing tonight? Woo! All right, guys, we're gonna support it here in just a second. A few things. Make sure you guys are in your groups together. We'll do more than one group at a time. Your group will walk down the ramp, stand right behind me in front of the blue benches. We'll take a nice little picture of you guys. The group after that, wait at the end of the ramp. Once they're doing the picture, you guys come down, take your pictures. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome aboard with Tropics for your sunset and fireworks cruise.
I swear this shark boat keeps following us.
I know.
It's like we have a stalker boat.
Well, just like that, we got
a beautiful sailboat over here too, on the causeway side. Yep, so between 9 and 10 o'clock tonight, you guys don't have to worry about it because this will be posting way after that. But every 4th of July, 9 to 10 o'clock, that bridge will be shut down because the fireworks are going to be happening right.
the screen shark. You guys ready?
Shark!
1, 2, 3, shark! Oh my god! It's terrifying. I guess that shark is hungry tonight. Look at all that food.
Shark is going pretty fast.
Now, it is a protected sanctuary for all your feathery friends, meaning that if you are a human and you decide to step foot on that island, you are going to jail. Now, being around the island itself is not so bad. Most of the time, people actually swim around the coast of it and kind of just hang out. That being said, it is very beautiful to look at, but the closer you get, the more you'll realize it does smell really, really bad. Actually, it was this guy right here. Now, since those have been installed, we are actually looking at more than a 60% increase in turtle survivability. Continuing your attention a little bit farther past those cops right there and onto that first building right next to the bridge. That is going to be the JW Marriott. It is our newest hotel out here and also the only JW on the private beach. Now, it does have a rooftop restaurant that is open to the public. It is a little expensive, but overall pretty good.
So gotta give a shout out to our friends at the Hampton in Clearwater Beach and the Dolphin Sands Hotel right next to the Hampton, also a private beach area, private cabana so you can rent for the day, and affordable options too. Dolphin Hotel will be a lot more affordable than most of these hotels on the beach, but
now carrying on right over, you're going to see that small beige hotel. That is going to be the Winter's Beach Resort, named after a very popular dolphin. That's right, Winter.
Have you guys not updated that yet?
What's that?
The Dolphin Sands now.
Is it actually?
Yeah. My friend runs the hotel.
Correction, it's actually Dolphin Sands now.
July trouble out on the water.
Somebody's in trouble.
And this building coming up actually has a edge pool right over the water that is called the Edge Hotel. It's a rooftop pool that overlooks the Gulf of America. You can swim right up to the glass. Almost feels like you're falling off the roof.
It's a human aquarium.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we start picking up speed, you can see Overwater Beach from land to land. A very short 700 miles. Straight ahead in front of us, we'll run into the side of Texas. Turning right, going north, we'll end up in Tallahassee, but nobody wants to go that way. And turning left and going south, we'll end up in beautiful places like the Keys, Cuba, and Jamaica. We don't have enough fuel or enough rum on board for that trip.
And the hotel on the corner is a brand new hotel.
It is a gorgeous day out here in the Gulf, guys, but it is open water. Sometimes bigger boats will pass by us, we'll get a wake here and there, we'll rock around here and there. Make sure if you guys are walking around, you have 3 points of contact. That's going to be 2 feet on the ground, a hand and a beer. It's the only way to walk
Straight
around.
ahead of us right now.
Now, if you have a beer in one hand, remember, that will throw you off balance. So buy another one, and you can keep yourself balanced.
Being a little bit quieter, but being a much nicer and much prettier aspect.
So a lot of you guys watching this channel right now, most of the videos that you've seen, probably the most of, is from Sand Key, which is straight ahead right here. If you guys want to get a full tour of the beach, go to Paradise In Pinellas. We have plenty of videos right there for you.
All the way from that jetty that we came out of to right about our 1 o'clock where the last big building is. That's going to be Sankey. All these big buildings are going to be actually condos. There's only 2 hotels in Sankey. One of them is in view. It's going to be right around our 11 o'clock. Marriott back there. You can see the blue building with the red M on it. Everything else is going to be condos. When the first started putting condos in here, you could have bought a nice 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, ocean view. About $150,000, $170,000. Same one right now, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, ocean view. Anywhere from $750,000 to 1.5. But silly me, I should have been buying from being in diapers back in the 90s.
Yeah, if we bought this property back in the 90s, it would have been like $300,000.
Down a little farther, you have Indian Shores, Indian Rocks, all the way down to the next open into the ICW, which is in the intercoastal waterbay. But in this continental shelf, the water is very, very shallow, which is fantastic for bottom fishing. If you like bottom fishing, we got some of the best grouper fishing out here, snapper, all that cool stuff that hangs out at the bottom. It is also one of the best spots for scuba diving, since most of our wrecks are going to be between 30 and 60 feet of water, which is going to be the limit to recreational divers unless you have your advance. So yeah, if you like scuba diving, if you like bottom fishing, all that cool stuff, definitely the Gulf side is a place to be.
All the fun stuff downstairs.
Look at that beautiful sky out there. Or 250 anniversary out there. What a way to end a beautiful day out here. Look at that sunset. We're gonna still do our regular toast as well, so raise your shot up in the air, raise your drink up in the air, or raise whatever you got on your hand up in the air. Here's to health, to beauty, to money, to love, to friends and families. to everybody who made this country the way it is right now, being free 250 years. Can I get a big cheers from everybody?
So that was actually a really nice tribute to all the men and women, both past and present, who have served this country. Love cheersing to a beautiful sunset here in Clearwater Beach. Thank you guys for joining the Paradise In Pinellas journey. There's so much more ahead. Right now we're getting over to the fireworks spot and ending this beautiful night with one of the largest fireworks shows of all time right here in Clearwater. That beautiful sight of Pier 60 out there. The slide and that gorgeous Ferris wheel. So glad it's still there. Definitely a beautiful golden hour right now. Here we go. Happy birthday, America. Let's go.
All right, guys, on the count of 3, let's get a big old happy birthday for America. 250. You're old.
Only one place I can think about being tonight is right here in Clearwater.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was the amazing fireworks here off of Clearwater Beach and Coachman Park. I really could not think of a better place to be than on a boat with the Tropics boat tours. Check them out. Book your cruise, book your sunset cruise, book your dolphin cruise. Go check them out, guys.
Jay, he's the best.
Captain Jay. And this guy right here, dude.
Hey,
yeah.
No, forget about Jay, it's just me.
Yeah, it's just him. Just him. All right, everyone. Happy 4th of July. Such a great time spending that right here in my favorite city, Clearwater Beach.
Every single year, we've been wanting to see the Coachman Park fireworks, and we always don't go because of the parking situation. Definitely do this next year. Go for the Tropics.
Come early, as early as possible to get parking. The only reason we got parking, and I have to give a huge shout out, is because our friends who actually own the Chart House Hotel that we're going back to, they gave us a spot in their garage just so we could do this video for you guys tonight. So huge thank you shout out to our friends Natalie and Jeff. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. Happy 4th of July, and we'll see you guys next time right here in Paradise in Pinellas.